Hey guys, today I'll be doing crochet, and this is versatile crochet that looks like braids pretty much. There's no difference, or there's a little bit of a difference, but you get what I mean. On my channel I have another video on this style that is doing over 1,200,000 views right now. You might want to check that one out too after this. This video is similar to that video, very similar in the fact that the foundation is the same. The braid is close to being the same. That braid is ombre, pink and black ombre, while this one is goddess braids actually, but everything else is pretty much the same. Like you can already see, I parted the front like braids and the back too. I parted 6 rows in front and 5 rows at the back, which means the front will pretty much be braided straight forward and later held down and cornrowed with the black, like you can see I'm doing now. So there'll be cornrows in the middle while there'll be single braids in front, so that the patterns will look like single braids when I've attached the extension to it. That's pretty much the whole secret and the whole cocoa to this video. And you just saw me attach the ends of the first cornrow to the second cornrow, and then also I did the single braids at the back. You can see me attach it to the cornrow now. This is pretty much how the foundation would look. That will give the whole head the look of braids. So that's what's going to go on everywhere until I'm done with the whole cornrows, since I'm already done with the single braids in front and at the back. I'll just finish out the cornrows and start attaching the extensions straight to the foundation. So the extension we're using for this hairstyle would be expression boho 3 times, meaning 3 packs in each. And each of the 3, like I'm taking them out now, has 8 braids in them. And then that's 24 braids in a pack. And I would have to try to use 4 packs because she got only 4 packs. So let's see how far we can go, and let's see if it will be enough. And this extension is very long. It's really, really long. I think it was long up to her waist, and she's quite a tall girl. So let's just keep watching as I'm attaching them down to see. And it's really beautiful. It looks so good. And I love the boho look because this is really new to me. And this is the first time I'm actually doing it. And it's a little bit of a tussle when you have to hold it into the crochet pin. So you have to be careful to hold it at the end so you don't rough out the boho part of it. That means the coily end, so that they don't look rough. So this is pretty much how I do it until I get to the top, where I would need to put the part and block off the back of the part, because I don't like it when crochet is just open down and then the parts, you can see the parts to the back of her head. I would have to block it off at some point after putting the crochet at the sides and at the back. I would now block it off on top of her head. So now I'll say you should look closely to see how I block it off. You see how I took the crochet pin through the two of them and then held it and then dragged it out, and then it just blocks off the part. You see? And then I'll put a second one and a third one, I think, to just block it off and block off the second part on the other side and the other part on the other side. Now I'm doing the back again. Now I think I'm pretty much done. I just have a few to be added, and the hair looks a little bit scanty. You might not see it, but I'd rather have another pack to fill it in, because right now I'm just checking which place needs more hair desperately to add it. And inside her hair there's some spaces that couldn't get some braids. You can see a spot right now that is open, and I would rather like everywhere to be full, but now I just have to be stingy with all of them and make sure I put the rest ones on the spots that are available. So see her hair, it still looks beautiful though, it still looks pretty. We still made it work, but I don't like to have a headache while I'm working on hair. I like to have a lot of extensions though, but we still made it work. She looks good, it looks good. Not too much space. You see, there's a little bit of space. There's a little bit of space. But if you open it up, if you just leave it like so, it's just fine. So she says she wants to put it on another part, not the one I made for her. So she can do that as well. I made about 3 parts on top of her head. So that side part, center part, and then the other side. So she likes it and she's actually happy. See how long it is? Guys, this is long. She's glad. She just clapped. Yay!